You're ready. Stand by. Be careful with your muzzle, Rich.
I'm trying to think of the capacity of the M500s we have. I think it's 5. That's it. You just load 5 in the tube, not 1 in the chamber. Yeah, that's what you do. 5 in the tube, 9 in the chamber.
Nothing in the chamber?
The only thing you carry in the tube.
Got it. Range is safe.
Yeah.
Not when you're ready.
So you think
Stand
that
by.
was a good, that part of it is right there, where you shot on the shoulder there?
I don't know, my glasses are fogging up, so
I think I'm going to go with that. It's the fattest part of the target.
yeah, and it's the what? It's the B ring, huh?
Your IDPAs, you're only down 2 points on that one, so that didn't hurt. That was okay.
Unload and chill clear.
Got it.
Mark. Not when you're ready. Stand by.
Probably 100 yards.
Right at the top
No.
of the head or the...
Those targets.
Huh? Oh,
Targets to the right. Okay.
When I went offhand, man, I couldn't hit
Here
him.
are the targets.
That was screwed up on everything. Anyhow,
Scratch up your rifle.
There.
And load your rifle.
Excuse me.
ready to go.
We're ready as soon. Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by. Hit! 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 No! Purple. Yep. Left, right. To the right. Oh yeah, sorry.
Here comes the shot. Good.
Make it safe.
And see, hit the black.
Hey.